Good morning, this is Scott from Central Valley HHO. What I'm here showing you here is one of our cleaning units, and came in here for maintenance. We've had this unit out in operation in the field for the last year and a half, and as you can see, it's been running absolutely perfect. We just did a service on it. It needed electrolyte, but state of the video is these cleaning machines help the trucking fleets, where they go out, they clean the DPF on the truck on a regen cycle, and we get amazing results. I have data from the mechanic before and after every cleaning, so it's all data stamped through a device that plugs in to the CAN bus or the J1939. So again, these units are doing amazing out in the field, and the customers just absolutely love the results that we get when we clean these diesel trucks. I mean, number one problem is emission related problems with these new diesel trucks, and this is the solution to keeping them clean. And this unit has paid for itself 4 times over. Okay, we do have monitoring here, so we're able to know exactly where this thing's at, when it runs, how long it's done the cleaning, all that. So we are collecting data like crazy. And here's a screen in the front showing the operation, how much time's left, the temperature, status is okay, how many watts we're pulling off the wall. I mean, we have really made this unit redundant. And all you have to do is add water to this thing. That's it. And here's the bubbler making hydrogen. So I just wanted to do a video on this. We've been doing cleanings now for over 2 years, and we just really haven't done any videos on it. But I just wanted to show that these units are bulletproof. I know a lot of other hydrant companies that make these cleaning units, and they fail like crazy. They overheat, they this, they that. This thing will run literally 24/7 at the highest setting and never have a problem. We've done our due diligence on this, and we've got the data to back it up. Anyways, this is Scott from Central Valley, just revealing another part of our technology that I really haven't shown, and the proof's in the pudding. I mean, we're cleaning out DPFs back to factory like it was out of the box. And don't take my word for it. Talk to my mechanic. He'll show you data that'll blow your mind. Anyways, this is Scott from Central Valley. Thanks.